Welcome to The Health Guru. Hey there, health enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a topic that has gained immense popularity in recent years: intermittent fasting. If you've ever wondered what this fasting trend is all about and how it can potentially impact your health, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Understanding intermittent fasting. So, what exactly is intermittent fasting? Well, it's not a diet, but rather an eating pattern that alternates between periods of eating and fasting. It's been practiced for centuries and has gained renewed attention due to its potential health benefits. How intermittent fasting works. There are several popular methods of intermittent fasting, including the 16/8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window. Then there's the 5-2 method, where you eat normally for 5 days and restrict calorie intake on 2 non-consecutive days. And these are just a couple of examples. Health benefits. Now, you might be wondering, why would someone willingly skip meals? Well, there are potential health benefits associated with intermittent fasting. Research suggests it may help with weight loss by reducing calorie intake and boosting metabolism. It could also improve insulin sensitivity, potentially lowering the risk of type 2 diabetes. Cognitive benefits. Intermittent fasting isn't just about physical health. It might have cognitive benefits too. Some studies propose that it could enhance brain function, support mental clarity, and reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Important considerations before jumping on the intermittent fasting bandwagon. There are a few things to consider. It might not be suitable for everyone, especially pregnant or breastfeeding women, individuals with certain medical conditions, or those with a history of eating disorders. It's always a good idea to consult a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your eating patterns. Getting started. If you're interested in trying intermittent fasting, start slow and find a method that suits your lifestyle. Listen to your body and stay hydrated during fasting periods. Remember, it's essential to prioritize nutrient-dense foods when you do eat, and don't use intermittent fasting as an excuse to overindulge during eating windows. Conclusion. So there you have it, a brief overview of intermittent fasting and its potential benefits. Remember, intermittent fasting isn't a one-size-fits-all approach, and what works for one person might not work for another. It's always best to consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your eating habits. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insights into health and wellness. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, your journey to a healthier you is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay well and see you in the next video.